Hi there, I'm Jules from thesstonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Okay, so for our coriander cilantro hot sauce, I've just got 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, a small bunch of coriander or cilantro that I've just roughly chopped so it'll fit in the jar, and then a small red chili. That one's pretty hot, so I'm just using one, but if you like it fiery, you could use, use 2 or 3, as many as you like, and you can use green chilies as well. It's just red chili is all I have on my chili tree at the moment, bush. So yeah, we're just going to get my stick blender and give it a whiz, or puree it essentially. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. It doesn't have to be, super smooth. It's up to you. And if you don't have a stick blender, you could either just finely chop everything and make it more of a chunky salsa, or you could just pop it in the blender as well. More washing up, but you'll get the same result. And then for the tacos, tacos in inverted commas, I've just got a cos lettuce, romaine lettuce, that I've separated some leaves out, and then I've stuffed each of the leaves with some grated zucchini just to make it a bit more substantial. And I'll just pull one up so you can see a bit better. And then I've just pan fried some fish. This is flathead fillets, but any fish you like, or chicken or chickpeas. It doesn't have to be fish. Just pan fried it till it's cooked through and brown. So it was about 2 minutes each side, because these are pretty small fillets. And I'm just going to serve with this hot sauce drizzled over, and we're good to go. Oh yeah, and make sure you taste the hot sauce, and you might season it with salt. It might need a little bit more lime juice depending on how you like it, and you can also test the heat. So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thesstonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.